Honorable Chairperson, learned audience, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. My topic of this session is the graft vessel angiogram. Coronary angiogram in the setting of CABG for the evaluation of bypass graft patency. Indication of the graft vessel angiogram is chest pain most often due to two mechanisms. One is progression of disease in the native arteries, new disease occurring in the bypass graft. Before graft vessel angiogram, the following points should be kept in mind: the number and type of grafts and to what they attached. A special care should be taken to visualize all the graft and native vessel. An aortic root injection through pigtail catheter may be necessary to document the occlusion of an aortic anastomosis of a vein graft. Axis, most commonly practiced in our country, the femoral axis, but there is another axis, the left radial axis, because left radial axis will make engaging the Lima graft more easier. Diagnostic catheter, most commonly used diagnostic catheter for graft vessel angiogram is the right Juskin catheter. M+ catheter is used in case of if the aorta is dilated. Internal mammary catheter are used for Lima graft. Location of the graft. Vein bypass graft are anastomosed to the anterior wall of the ascending aorta. Right coronary artery graft is usually anastomosed a few centimeters above and anterior to the right coronary orifice. LAD and diagonal graft are usually anastomosed higher and slightly to the left. Obtuse OM graft are usually the highest and further left. OM graft is located most higher than the all graft. This is the picture of the graft. Views for cannulating the graft vessel. We should remember left-sided graft cannulate in right anterior oblique view, right-sided graft cannulate in LAO view, and Lima graft cannulate in the AP view. This is the venous graft attached to the PDA. This is the venous graft attached to the OM. This is the Lima graft attached to the LAD. PDA graft. 2B is important for visualization of the PDA graft. Epicranial view to see the distal anastomotic site and distal PDA. RAO view to see the body of the shaft and PDA. In case of OM graft, 2B is more important, RAO caudal view and epicaudal view to visualize the graft. In case of diagonal graft, RAO view to see the body and graft of the whole vessel, and LAO cranial to see the diagonal. But in case of LAD graft, if we give the venous graft to the LAD, RAO view to see the body of the graft and entire vessel, epicranial view to see the mid to distal vessel if the saphenous vein graft are given to the LAD. But in case of Lima graft is present to the LAD, epicranial to see the entire LAD, left lateral to see the distal anastomotic side and LAD. If not visualized, sometime allocranial or RAO view needed. Technique for bypass vein graft catheterization. First image the native coronary artery, followed by saphenous venous graft imaging, then internal mammary artery imaging, finally aortography. If we are not satisfied, all the graft have been visualized. After the native coronary angiography, we look for the saphenous venous graft marker, if any attached to the aorta or near the saphenous venous graft ascending aorta anastomosis. Right coronary bypass vein graft catheterization. The right coronary vein graft usually can be entered using a 3.5 or 4 centimeter right Judkin type catheter or multipurpose catheter. The right coronary vein graft usually can be entered with the right Judkin catheter, often with a simple pullback from the right coronary orifice upward. LAD vein graft catheterization. Often an LAD vein graft can be entered easily by simply pulling back the right Judkin catheter after right coronary vein graft injection has been completed. Circumflex vein graft catheterization. A circumflex graft usually located above the LAD vein graft site. It can be engaged by simply withdrawing the right Judkin catheter upward from the LAD graft orifice. If coronary vein graft orifice cannot be entered, an aortic root injection should be performed to document the patency of the graft and to assist further cannulation attempt. Internal mammary artery graft cannulation. In the left, internal mammary artery originates anteriorly from the caudal wall of the subclavian artery just beyond the vertebral artery origin. The left subclavian artery can be entered with the use of right Juskin catheter, but a more sharply angled catheter tip known as the IMA catheter is preferred. The catheter tip should be directed caudally at the level of the internal mammary orifice. Slight counterclockwise rotation and advancement may be necessary to cannulate the artery. A special issue related to the vein graft angiography. Higher contrast used with increasing risks of contrast-induced nephropathy, increased radiation exposure to the patient as well as the angiographer, longer procedural time, higher risks of thromboembolism and aortic injury during additional catheter manipulation in the aorta, risks of injury to the subclavian artery and aorta during IMA angiography, difficulty in engaging angulated vein graft takeoff and subclavian artery in some patients. Precaution. During IMA injection, the patient should be warned about painful burning sensation in the shoulder and anterior chest wall. Avoid injecting into the vessel wall as it can cause major dissection. Injection into the vein graft with high-grade osteal lesion increases risks of arrhythmia. Just 1 minute. Complication, same for peripheral vascular vasovagal, same. Take-home message. Angiography in the setting of CABG is more complex. In venous graft injection into the vessel wall can cause major dissection. Avoid vigorous catheter manipulation to engage internal.
একটা জিনিস ওই তারেক কিন্তু খুব বলছিল যে সিএবিজি পেশেন্টের অ্যাঞ্জিওগ্রামের সময় খেয়াল রাখতে হবে যেন আমরা ক্যাথেটার ম্যানিপুলেশন জন্য বেশি না করি, ভেইন গ্রাফটের জন্য আমি ডাই দিতে একটু স্লোলি দিই, কারণ এদের ডিসেকশনের চান্স অনেক বেশি। ডিসেকশন হলে পেশেন্ট কিন্তু জিওপার্টাইজড, এটা খুব খেয়াল রাখতে হয়। আর আরেকটা জিনিস যেটা যে যদি আমরা দেখতে না পারি পিকটেল দিয়ে যে অস্টিয়াল লোকালাইজেশন, যে ওটা অস্টিয়াম থেকে বন্ধ আছে কিনা এটা দেখায় দেওয়া আমাদের অবশ্য কর্তব্য। তার যে 5টা গ্রাফ ছিল আমি মাত্র 2টা ভিজুয়ালাইজ করতে পারছি, বাকিগুলো গেল কোথায়? ওটা কি বন্ধ? আমি ব্লাইন্ডলি বলে দিতে পারি না বন্ধ, আমাকে কিন্তু একটা এভিডেন্স দেখাতে হবে যে এটা বন্ধ।
And it is very important to have the operation note in your file, CABG.
Thank you.